Hello everyone, you're welcome again. On this tutorial, you'll be learning how to install fonts in your Pixel app. So most of you might really not fancy the particular font that comes with the Pixel app, or not necessarily wish or want to use, maybe, or you have a particular font in your head, or maybe you saw a particular font online and you're just like, oh, I like this font and I would like to use it for my next design. So and you check through the Pixel font list and you find out that the font is not there, and you're just like, okay, let me see how I can get this font. So all you just have to just do is to you go to your browser. So there are numerous and numerous of web pages whereby you can easily get fonts, whereby you can easily get fonts of your choice. So it's based on which particular one you're looking for, or if you don't have a particular one you're looking for, you can just easily click on a particular web page. And we are on most designers are very familiar with this web page, but you can also know some other web page as well. But I'm more familiar with this particular web page, which is called, is here already, the font. So once you search on it, the font, once you search on it, this is the font here. So this, you just need to take note of the logo, because if you scroll down, you will see that there are so many numerous kind of the fonts, so many numerous kinds of them. But all you just need to just do is to just take note on this particular logo here, or the website name, which is www.dafont.com. But like I said, there are so many fonts, but you just need to know the logo and be able to identify it. So on these, let's just access the font here. So once you click on the font, it automatically takes us to its page. So this is the page here. So in the font, you have numerous both the script fonts, all kinds of fonts. You can see them here. You just need to just know the one that you're trying to access. You can see they have the fancy fonts, they have the fun look fonts, they have the Gothic font, basic, the script font. So whatever kind of font you're looking for. So there's a particular font that I have in mind that I want to look for, and it's called taken by Vulture. So taken by Vulture. So let me search for it. Taken by Vulture. Okay, so this is taken by Vulture here. So all we just need to just do is to just click on the download button here. You can see the download here, the download button here. You click on it. So once you click on it, we'll wait for it to load. So I don't know why it's taking time. Okay, my data connection is still active. Okay, it's downloading now. So it's downloading. It's downloading. Yeah, I guess it's done downloading. So we just need to, let me check it here. Okay, I guess it's still downloading. So it's done downloading. So what we just need to just do, you don't need to open it right now. So but before you open it, you must make sure that you have there's a particular app that will make use of, it's like a zip folder. So let's access it. I guess I should have it. Let's go to Play Store. So excuse me, let me check my data connection. Okay, I guess we are back online. So the name of the app is I guess ZA Archive. Z Z Archive. Z Archiver, yeah. Z Archiver. So this is the name of the app, the particular folder we will be using as well, because it's very okay, because after you've downloaded your fonts, you need to like extract the the information from there, because it comes in a zip folder. So you need to extract the font from it and then have a particular folder, a font folder, where you can make sure that you store all your fonts, all your necessary fonts there. So let's install this. We're installing this now. So it's installing this for, okay. Okay, I guess the network is very fast and very wonderful. So it's downloading, and then it's downloading. Okay, so let's open it now. So once we open it, whatever, access. Okay, 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 give permission, allow. Okay, okay. So now let's search for our downloaded file, which is taken by voucher, and I guess it should be in downloads. Yes, download, and then we have to search through taken by voucher. Taken by voucher. Let's just look for this keyword, taken. Okay, now this is it. This is it now. So we tap on it, and then what you see view, extract, and whatever compress. So you click on the extract here. Let me click on extract. I'm extracting this. Where will I like to save it? Let me check what is in my device. Let me see what is in my device. Okay. Let me see what is in my SD card. I wish I to save it in my SD card. And then you can see my SD card, I already have a folder for fonts. Then I go here, click on fonts, and then you can see all my other added fonts here, well seated and everything. And then after that, I just click on this particular thing here, this icon here. So this icon here, so you just click on it, and once you click on it, voila, your taken by voucher font, it's already seated comfortably in your folder. So that is it for that. And then we go to our Pixel Lab. Go to our Pixel Lab. We go to our Pixel Lab. We add our text here. Also add our text here. All is well. All is well. Okay. So if I want to change this font here, then I just need to just click on font, my fonts. So now we would like to add our downloaded font. We click on this button here, click on it. So once we click on it, it takes us to our folder. So now I need to look for my folder where I saved all my fonts. So I go here and I click on XD. So once I click on XD here, I'll search for my fonts folder. Search for my fonts folder. This is my font here. Okay, and I'll look for taken by voucher. Taken by voucher. Guess it should be down. Taken by voucher. So it's two here. We select the first one, select the second one, and then we click on select, and then we search for it here, and then this is it taken by virtue. So you can see now. So it's appearing in two ways. This one is in capital letter and this one is in small letter. So if you notice it's not coming out very well, so what you just, this is where your padding comes in. You come here, you adjust the padding. So that is how to add the font. Thank you very much and God bless.